So today here we're in my cabinet shop and we got this nice portable Japanese saw that we're gonna use. What I like about this, it folds, it's rust free. You push here on top to close it. And usually we use it for fine cutting to take it to the job site. That's the nice thing about this saw, that you can put it on your bag, on your pocket, wherever you're gonna go. And what I like is you mark the piece instead of using a jigsaw, you can do some really nice cuts with this.
All right, the saw itself is a craftsman's works by itself. It has a wooden handle. It folds like a switchblade. It's SK5, a durable blade, which is inducted with hardened, so it could last you for many, many years. Rust-free, so it's anti-rust, all right? So if you leave this by accident or get some kind of moisture, you won't have to worry about the rust, all right? It's 21 TPI. That means the blade itself, it's not a dual blade. It's bendable in two different ways. I'm going to show you a little close-up of it. Now, if you guys can see the close-up of the blades, they're side by side. They look like one's in the back of the other, but they're not. It's just, that's to get the precise cuts on your actual system. And this is 6-inch blade that can be replaced.
Really nice, really clean cut.
At the end of the day, it has a little tool hanger. Fits good with your tools.